Kia ora everybody and welcome back to Nick's Crochet Craft. I'm Nick Joy and today I want to show you some double crochet stitches, and I will also show you how to start a nice seamless round with a double crochet standing stitch. Now I love these standing stitches because I feel like when I use a turning chain or a beginning chain, working in the round, we don't turn, we carry on going in the same direction. So whenever I start a round, I always feel like my beginning chains stick out, they're a bit too prominent, and it looks really obvious where I've started each round. But these standing stitches I find blend in much nicer, so you can barely tell where I've started these rounds. So to work a standing stitch, we want to work 2 single crochets on top of each other. So we do 1 chain at the beginning, and we don't work into the space because that's our stitch right there. We want to work into this one here. And we yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through for 1 single crochet. And then we do a little chain on top so we can flip around and do a little backwards maneuver into just the first bar, the bar closest to you. And yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. There you have 2 single crochets, one on top of the other, or a double crochet standing stitch. And from here I'd like to carry on and show you how to do some double crochets. Now I should note by this time, I should have noted at the beginning of the video, that I am using US terms there, so that's a double crochet in US terms. I believe the British terminology is a treble crochet. So to do the stitch, we yarn over, we insert into the space we want to work into, yarn over and pull through. And we have 3 loops on our hook. And we yarn over again, pull through the first 2, yarn over and pull through the last 2. And that makes a double crochet. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Ka pai. We have some gorgeous, beautiful double crochet stitches. The double crochet stitch is a very commonly used crochet stitch in many crochet patterns, and it is the tallest of the basic stitches. And from a double crochet you can make taller and taller stitches. You can make them as tall as you want by simply yarning over again at the beginning. And we insert, and instead of 2 loops you'll have 3 if you do an extra yarn over. So each time you pull through you will always only pull through 2 loops. So you'll have an extra pull through. And that one is called a treble stitch. And then if you yarn over 3 times, I imagine that's called a quadruple stitch. But again, it makes a taller stitch. And so that is your double crochet stitch and your double crochet standing stitch. And also a little bit of a tip on getting taller stitches from there. Thank you for tuning into my video today. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, chuck us a like and subscribe for more tutorials in the future. I am planning on covering actual patterns and projects in the future, so if you have any suggestions, anything you'd like me to cover in the future, please chuck us a recommendation in the comments. Other than that, look after yourselves and ka kite anō.